Good morning in the storm. We have day 67 and we have a huge storm today. It's gonna blow up to 28 meters per second, I think the term is, I cannot remember. And it's gonna be a hard one, but we walk down, we start down, so now we are on one of the high peaks. So up here it's super much more windy, of course. And it's gonna be a rough one. We have a lot of clothes on and we are hot, and we're going to have a tough one in the storm. So not so much filming today, I think, and we're going down to Storlien. Oh, I found a little quiet place here. And we're going down to Storlien, so hopefully it's gonna be less windy when we go down. But here was nice. But look at the view. A beautiful view, and maybe even some sunshine if you're lucky. And this cabin treated us good again. So, and Anna is tippy-tappy-toeing in the wind, and that's always cute to see. But here is no wind.
It's going to be a difficult one.
Yeah, a rough one.
Yeah.
But no wind now. Here with the house.
No, here was a little bit. It's going to be a hard one in the. Hopefully no water crossing today.
Yeah.
Then you have to balance on some rocks when it's so windy.
Yeah. Which direction?
Which direction? I don't. I should put on the lady.
Yeah. Because I don't know, and I don't see any orange dots or any signs or anything, and not even a road.
Yep. On hiking path, head southeast to follow the tour. Let's go.
Let's go.
On the other side of the building.
Yeah. So we go to the other side of the building, and so you can feel the wind again. And like the lady in the telephone said, let's go. And there we got signs. And again, we got super lucky with this accommodation, because it was fully booked. No, it was not fully booked. There was one bed left, and we said we all three want to live together. And when I came here a little bit early, I asked the guy, and he hooked us up, because they have 2 cancellations. So that makes me happy. So let's go. And you see tents. That could have been us, but not today. Now only downhill, and little protection from the mountains, but when the winds comes they are heavy. It's
Deep one.
Yeah, and the ground is wet. We had heavy rain this morning at breakfast, heavy rain all night, and you can see the wind now, and this is just the small winds. When the big winds comes, you have to stand close, because they take all of you, the backpack, even my big body. So I cannot have to stand still and just hold myself. But for now it's okay, because a little less windy down here, and again $1 million views. And we only walked from up there down here, but at least you can see a little bit. It's more easier if you have some view to look at. It's much easier to walk in just clouds. So I really appreciate this walk again. And we are sore, of course, all the 3 of us. A couple of rough days, but now we're taking a day off in Storlien to say bye-bye to lovely Catherine. Make her some dinner, celebrate her, because she have made the Southern Kungs Trail. She's all completed with that, so we have to celebrate. She's a very good walker. I enjoy to walk with her. It was an honor to have these weeks together, and both me and Anna are gonna miss Catherine a lot. Maybe she sees this when she comes home. So we really like you, Catherine, you know that, so thank for everything. But so today, when we hit the accommodation, we're gonna stay there for 2 days, 1-0, and say bye bye to Catherine. Then me and Anna take the bus, so we can go back into the country to our route. This was a big detour just because we wanted to walk with Catherine, because she was such a lovely lady. And we're gonna hit grocery store today and make food, of course. And I'm longing for a big plate of veggies in the oven, and maybe even I will make some ground beef burgers with a lot of garlic. That's my thought for now. And now the rain is picking up. So this day is getting better and better. But today we sleep inside again, and we got laundry machine. We got a fireplace. I think Catherine said we got a fireplace in this one. She booked it on Airbnb. So, well, see if we get lucky. And now, less talking, more walking, guys.
Just walked 2 kilometers and it took so long time. There's so many rocks and the wind grabbed my backpack and tosses me around. So we were not planning to get in this caravan to take a rest, but we have to.
It's windy. Hello guys. We found a little shelter. So we can hide from the wind. And she are too short and knocked herself on the face. Yeah.
It's bored.
So
The wind is crazy.
Yeah.
It's absolutely insane. But if we're lucky, maybe just it is not so rocky from here and down.
It looks better now because it's just rocks now.
Maybe that's the way. That's why the cabin is right here.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah. So now some rest. Yeah. And now we are down among the trees. The less wind, we have got more protection from this, and it feels very nice. So it's a bit easier to walk, but still downhill. And it's going to be a really tough one with, I think it was 24% of elevation. So that's up to come. So the feet, yeah, they're feeling, I feel them today. It's a beautiful spot.
Where are the mountains?
They're gone.
Yeah.
Ah, you had them ahead of you.
It's so strange.
We were standing here really trying to get a really nice thumbnail. So me and Dan was standing here on this bridge. Catherine took a picture and it just looked like we were standing between two fences. we don't do any thumbnail on this today. Oh, I see a coffee spot. We're gonna have some coffee.
What an inspiration.
Pre-course. Hard bread, peanut butter, jam.
Wow.
Where's the banana? Not here.
At the store, 10 kilometers away.
Oh,
If you guys have a moment over, please bring me a banana here.
And then some noodles. We just walk in here to take some coffee, and we're making a lunch because we were a bit hungry.
I was super hungry. I haven't eaten in weeks.
Hike your hunger.
Maybe. But now I got a mouthful and I'm spitting food all over the camera. So
And
this
over
is
there.
maybe the best scene yet. And I have a lovely view.
Yeah, and the bridge.
Yeah.
walking uphill, but the wind is amazing. It was good with some lunch. We really needed that coffee. Now I'll put you down. A gate boy. A gatekeeper. I tried to film earlier then, but I had to put them down in my pocket, in my bag, because I almost fell over when the wind took me. So windy. But now we don't have so much further to go.
Go closer.
Again?
A little bit of a waterfall down there, but I don't dare to get closer. Now we got storm winds going on. It's hard winds now. But you see down there, there's some kind of waterfall. But I really don't dare to get closer.
No.
And hopefully over there the big red building is still laying. It would be a dream come true, because I'm hungry, I'm longing for a shower, I'm longing for one big bed, and I'm longing to watch a movie while I'll eat. And today we're gonna have a long night together with lovely Catherine, because that's our last night together, and tomorrow we say bye-bye, and tomorrow we will go bus into the country. Tomorrow or the day after, we have to see when our buses are there. I really don't know, we haven't checked that up, but sooner or later we will find ourselves a little bus or a train, because we're both leaving here from Storlien. And like I said before, this detour is only for Catherine, because we really like her, and this was a beautiful trail to walk. Now we have walked the full length of Southern Kungs Trail, so I recommend all your people out there like hiking, try the Southern Kungsled. It's much bigger in Germany. They have books, everything on the Southern Kungsled, but here in Sweden we don't have so much, unfortunately. I don't know why. It's a beautiful trail. You have the cabins to help you out, wind shelters, fresh water, and a lot of these bigger SDF hiking homes, shelter homes. They have restaurants as well. So yesterday you can pick up a lunch box, a dinner box, a breakfast box, and everything. So you can have a fancy. And up here as well they had the triangle. It's three of these cabins you walk between. Easier paths, okay, of course, they are around 15-17 kilometers a day, but then you just book all the three and you sleep inside every day, and there are dinner, breakfast and lunch at those places. But look at the view again. And now when you came down here to the foresty areas again, it's a little less windy, but the open areas they are rough today. It was gonna be up to 25-28 meters per second with wind, and it has been. Even I'm not a small man, I weigh a lot, but I have no chance to resist the wind. It takes me away. It's rough condition, but a lot of these fancy river crossings today, and not walking in water. We have a few of them as well, of course, but look at the view, guys. Incredible. And thumb up those gorgeous ladies, and Catherine, who has now almost made the full length of Southern Kings Trail, and that's nice. So go, ladies, go!
It's a lot of those here, the snowmobiles, the scooters. just waiting for the snow to arrive. And we are actually on actual road for the first time in many days. Feels weird just to move forward. No stones or nothing. Quite nice feeling. Now we're going to our rented house, and then we're walking to the store. What a place! And look at the carvings. Beautiful place. So now we will go indoor and see what is there, and I will show you later.